Hello everyone, Chash Tech Reviews back, and today's video is about Grand Theft Auto or GTA 5 online not working or loading on your Windows PC. When you try to connect your GTA with the server, it may be slow or the FPS is not working accordingly, or some kind of loading failures may happen. So on this video we are going to see two basic solutions to solve this not working problem. Solution number one is server status checking. So to check the server status, open the browser that you want and use this link, which is, I'll put it under the description box with a link. So copy this link and paste it here. So here the Rockstar support opened. So check the status of the server by opening this site. So when you are playing the GTA Online, check this Rockstar support page in order to know the status of the server. So if there will be any failures related with server, this page will announce to you there is some kind of failure or problem related with the GTA server. So make sure you check your GTA servers under this Rockstar support page. And if this checking the status of the server will not help you, then the second solution for this video will be, again, click on your search icon and type CMD. So here the command prompt opens, so right click on it and select run as administrator, and the CMD will be opened and it will ask you a confirmation. Select yes and copy here the first command, ipconfig //flash DNS. Copy this one in order to flash the DNS and paste it here, then press enter. Then it will successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the second one, reset the WinSock. So again, copy this one and paste it here and press enter. So here, successfully reset the WinSocket catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So in order to complete that, we are going to reset the computer. So let's restart the PC. So after the restart, now you can check whether the GTA 5 problem is solved or not. And I hope these solutions will help you to solve the problem related with not working or loading related with GTA 5. Thank you for watching. Chash Tech Review out.